Hi friends and people. Ito, as you can see, meron tayong ditong strawberries. Tapos, black grapes, tsaka yung kiwi. Ito pa yung ating fruits nung nagdaang medianoche. So, bala ko sana nga gawing fruit salad, but naisip ko instead, kainin na lang ng ganyan. Pero, I have here yung condensed milk. Condensed milk na parang dulce de leche. Okay, so yun nga. I-dip natin yung strawberry dun sa dun sa condensed milk. Actually, yung black grapes, parang ito yata yung grapes na ginagawang fruits. Ito yung condensed milk. Nag-brown na yung color niya. Parang siyang dulce de leche. So, ayan. Tikman natin yung kiwi ano, kung matamis ba o hindi. Medyo maasim siya. Okay rin itong i-dip sa condensed milk. Ayan. Mas okay, i-dip sa condensed milk. Try natin yung strawberry. Ito. Kain tayo, friends and people. Maasim. Pero okay nga yun na i-dip sa condensed milk. At ito yung black grapes na seedless. Malaki oh. Ito matamis to eh. Shout out sa nagbigay ng fruits. Thank you so much. And thanks for watching, friends and people. Have a good day.